Right, so we are filming. We have got a honk horn sign. We're going to try and get as many people to honk their car horns as possible.
Taxi run! Taxi run!
Right, here comes all the horns. Cars.
Honk the horn. Looking at it like ridiculous.
Fucking welcome.
Yay!
We're fucking three!
Come on.
Don't be dick.
Then you blow it if you don't honk the horn.
What?
You blow it if they don't honk.
This is well scrubbery.
Yay! Van! 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 Go like that, Jack! Yay!
I don't Side Jack.
Yay!
This is actually more funny.
Joggers! Joggers, flash your tits! Don't wave!
He waved.
I didn't even
That's happy.
Yay!
Oh, dickhead! Dickhead! Yeah!
We have the weirdest pastimes.
This is, yeah, but it's pretty awesome.
This is our
Cars. Oh, come on. Yay! Yay! Come on, we all need to cheer. We all need to cheer for the honk. No, no. First you put it away. Cop car.
Don't put it away, don't put
No,
it
no,
away.
no, no. So cop car didn't just go passing, Ben just did not beep at it.
Take your
I
life.
thought someone was ringing the point.
Hello.
Ambulance come shit.
Come on, beep.
Come on, you cunt. We hate this side of roads.
You all do it on that side.
Way! My mum! Oh, ruffle pun! Oh, what
that your mum?
that was my mum then. My mum just went past that castle down there. Oh, oh, van! Van! There's a van coming! Hey!
They don't even know.
Honk! You like that? Yay!
That one is pathetic honk.
It comes out, this is good work, you got to put your hand down. It's flashlights as well, so
Yeah.
I suppose.
Yeah, we're leaving it there?
Yeah, right.
Alright, let's leave it there.
What's that? Oh,
Right, last 3 cars now.
God, if this don't pit now, he's just
Van.
ruined it.
Epic ending.
If
epic
it,
ending.
come on, beep. Oh, come
We're
on.
waiting for one more beat.
One more beep and then we'll leave it. Get this bicycle guy to ring his bell if he has one or he's just turned in. Which
That's my dad.
is it your dad?
Will it be?
But no, it's not my dad.
Oh, what? Like we didn't get my mum on the video. It's epic fail.
Like your mum's honker.
Oh, now they're all just been miserable.
Racist bastards. Van! Van! Got a big finish. Stacky van!
Come on. No way. Come on.
Alright, come on, let's go.